MVehicles.com for details.
Welcome back. We are hearing more and more about the benefits of solar power, but in tonight's Living Green report, we now have a new take on it. Here's ABC 7's Scott Dennis. Scott?
Well, Heidi, along with using the sun to power our homes and heat our water, we can also use it to brighten our homes. Every room inside Sarasota's tubular skylight is lit by the sun.
We have 6,000 square feet here, approximately 31 units that you'll be able to see, and there's no electric lights on in the building. This is all free, healthy, natural sunlight.
This isn't a new technology. It's been around for a while. The sun shines through a weatherproof dome, reflects off a metal tube, then lights up the inside of your home. But there is a new appreciation for it, as we all work to protect the environment and save money. Check out the effect in this living room lit only by the sun, and then pitch dark when the skylight is covered. And it's not just for homes. Tubular Skylight is a working example of how businesses, which are for the most part open during the day, can benefit from this lighting system.
Places that are open 9 to 5, we can eliminate the lighting use, upwards of 95% over the course of the year.
And without those lights on constantly and creating heat, you can also save money on your air conditioning because your home or business stays cooler. They even sell a system for offices that will automatically brighten the dimmed lights if the sun should go behind a cloud, keeping a consistent level of light in the workplace.
The only drawback to our product, Tubular Skylight, is that it does not work when the sun is not out.
By the way, the typical electric bill at Tubular Skylights with all those skylights is a little more than $200 a month for a 6,000 square foot building. That includes their offices and their workspace too. Now, if you'd like more information on Tubular Skylights, we've put a link to them on our website, mysuncoast.com. Look under the links we mentioned or at the bottom of the story on the Living Green page. Heidi?
Thank you, Scott.